Alright, what is up people? So it's the last day of the year and yeah, I figured I'm gonna do a little something different. It's gonna be the last video of 2019. So before we move on to the main part of the video, I'm just gonna bring Jane and get Jane a wash because she's really dirty right now, and yeah, I want to get her all looking good for 2020. Okay, so Jane's a little dirty. They just cut the grass like yesterday or the day before or something, and she's really filthy. So I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, like everything, like it's all the dust and stuff, and it's all on the back bumper because the grass here and stuff. So it's really dirty. So yeah, I'm just gonna give Jane a quick wash before we move on with the main purpose of this video. Behind me, I'm here at the place that I normally wash my car. Thanks to my neighbor who recommended me this place because they got a water jet. So yeah, let's start washing Jane. Alright, so we're back from washing Jane. She's all clean and pretty right now, ready for the new year. And in this video, I want to do the last unboxing for 2019. I got a couple more stuff over the past couple months, and I figured it's time for me to do the final unboxing for this year. Still got some on the way, but I've not received them yet. But yeah, I hope this will do for now. It's not a lot of stuff, but pretty interesting stuff for you guys. I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy it. And after the unboxing, I'm gonna be outlaying what the future plans for this channel are next year. Hopefully I'll be able to go through with it, and it's gonna be an exciting year if I can make it happen. Alright, so let's start the unboxing. This one's already open, so I'm just gonna show you guys first. I actually forgot to show you guys this one in the previous video, and if you can't already tell, it's seat belts. But what seat belts? They are the Williams Nismo racing harness. This is a pretty good deal that I managed to get. I'm really happy about this purchase. Hopefully I'll be using it soon. And yeah, you can see the Nismo logo. I'm gonna give this a wash. It's a little bit dirty. Maybe a clean, a scrub, and that's gonna be that. Next up, shall we open the big box first or the medium-sized one? So yeah, we have the special Nismo Festival exclusive stew bucket stew. You could it's a container. You can actually keep stuff in it. You can see here. Let me show it to you here. Nissan Motorsports International, capacity 20 liters, weight limit 100 kilograms, steel. Yeah, so this is a Nismo Festival exclusive. Stoked that I got it. Probably gonna display it somewhere. Yeah, just checking to see if there's any special stuff that they put there. Really love the padding on the lid. It's really nice, looks comfortable. I'm gonna try out later. So that's the Nismo exclusive, what should I call this? Like stew? Can? I don't know. But it's a really nice piece. So yeah, put that back in the box. And we move on to the final box for the unboxing. So I don't remember what's in these two boxes. I know what's in this one. It's another Nismo catalog, so I'm really happy that I got another one in my collection. But let's unbox this too right now. Let's start with let's go with the smaller one first. So we got some Japanese newspaper. Oh, totally forgot I actually bought this. Some of you might already know what this is, seeing this control box here. So I just leave it here. Yeah. So that's that in the box. Don't have anything else. Ooh. Nice. So I got this because again, I'm crazy about Nismo, and it's actually a Nismo boost gauge and an exhaust temp gauge as well. So it comes with the wiring to light up the gauge and connects to the control box and everything else you probably need. I'm just gonna find the instruction manuals online and check everything. I know it's missing the exhaust temperature sensor, but I'm not too worried about that because I can easily get another one and just wire it up to the control box. But yeah, this is one of the piece. Very clean. Let's leave the box for last because I don't remember what's in there. And open the Nismo catalog. Got a Nismo catalog from, if I remember correctly, it's a 2000. It's either 2000 or 2001. Really good condition. Almost brand new. I see a little bit of wear on the edge. I'm not gonna open this up. You guys could probably find more of this online. So this is another one. And let's move on to the final box now. Ooh, all right. Nice. Okay, so if you can already see, we got some old school HKS stuff in here. Just slowly take them out. Put one here first. And we got another HKS in here. It's really old school. So that's in the box. More Japanese newspaper. So yeah, we have, just remember I bought this because it's brand new. It's never been used. It's new old stock. It's a HKS turbo timer. Box has definitely seen a little bit of age, but man, how often do you even see boxes like this surviving? And it's in the old school HKS livery that we are also familiar with. It has everything in the box. Yeah, really brand new. The manual and everything is no scratches. You know, looks good. So this is a HKS turbo timer. I like putting like period correct stuff in the car. So I got this, and together with this is actually a package deal. This is also brand new in the box. It's only been open to take some pictures and stuff, but otherwise it's just new old stock. You can read on it. It's another HKS turbo timer. It's also period correct for the era Jane was in, which is in the late 80s, early 90s. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. How many of you guys gonna experience opening a new old stock HKS turbo timer? Not many, I assume. So we have the warranty card here with the serial number and all, and opens up. You have to fill your name up and stuff just in case it's there. I don't think this is gonna work anymore, but it's really nice to see that this is still in there. We got the instruction manual here, and we have the HKS turbo timer itself with the wiring harnesses that you're required to have when you install it on your car. We have connectors, zip ties, double-sided tape, plugs, Not a single scratch on it. Has the neon green HKS logo on it. Serial number at the bottom. Produced by HKS, made in Japan. And yeah, you can set your turbo timer and everything. So you can set your turbo timer to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. And then you can just press off. So you can always have it on 1 minute. It's locked in there. And then every time you switch your car off, the turbo timer is going to kick in and it will only shut the engine off after 1 minute. So yeah, if you don't want it, you can just press off. So yeah, that's that for the unboxing. Hopefully it's not too boring for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed whatever stuff I got. And yeah, I think the best grab would have to be the final box. Other than the Nismo Stu, I'm gonna keep it back in the box and I'll continue the video after this. Woo! Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I know it wasn't a lot of stuff, but it was pretty nice rare stuff. You can see some of them behind me right now. So yeah, let's move on to the main part, or the last part of this video, which is me going through the plans for the channel and plans for Jane in 2020. We'll start off with the plans for the channel first. So 2019 has so many ups and downs along the way. There were certain stuff I wanted to do but I couldn't. Personal stuff and work stuff and other mumbo jumbo shit. I started this channel in 2019 and I set a couple goals that I wanted to hit. Some of them I did, some of them I didn't hit. So I'm going to be bringing forward the ones that I feel are most important to 2020. The first one that's going to be is to have a consistent upload schedule. I want to try and maintain a upload schedule of at least one video a week. In the coming weeks, I will do a schedule, I'll plan stuff out and I'll finalize on how much I can do. And also I want to try and settle down on a day that I'll upload, so that will be the day that you guys will look forward to. So for example, Wednesday, every Wednesday, you guys will know that I'm going to be uploading or not, or I'll do an announcement beforehand and stuff. I also want to do more collaborations, so Daniel, if you're watching this, be prepared. 2020 is going to be a little bit busy, but we're going to try and do some collaboration work. So if you guys haven't already subscribed to Daniel's channel, do subscribe. I'll put the links down in the description below. Yeah, that's another goal that I want to try and achieve in 2020. Also for the channel, I actually did want to try and hit at least 100 subscribers before the end of 2019. We are not really near there. We just passed the halfway mark, and I think we're at about 60 subscribers right now. So thank you to those of you that are subscribed to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, if you enjoyed the video so far, do remember to subscribe, comment, and like. I really appreciate the subscribers that stuck with me along the way, and I'm gonna try and improve my content for you guys. Before I close off the plans for the channel, there's one last one that I want to mention. This is gonna be a big change for the channel if it actually happens. I can't really talk much about it right now. I'm still working out some stuff, and I'll announce it on the channel. I'll do a video about it once everything is set in stone and confirmed. But all I can say is the channel might move elsewhere. I'll update you guys in the future if something changes. So I guess that's that for the channel plans for 2020, and we're gonna move on to Jane. Plans for Jane in 2020. So initially I actually had really big plans for Jane in 2019. Again, personal stuff, work stuff came up and I wasn't able to go through with the big project. So I really want to try and make this big project happen in 2020. I know it's gonna be what you guys want to see, what you guys want to watch and stuff, but I can't make it happen yet because right now that big project is going to tie in together with the big change that's going to happen for the channel. So once that change gets the green light, then I can immediately start planning for the big project for Jane. So that's the big project for Jane, and I think I still got 2 more things to touch on, which is my 2 mini side projects. Both of them you've actually seen on the channel. The first one's going to be LED Type X tail lamps and the Nismo LMGT2 that I picked up a couple of months ago. To start off with the Nismo rims, the reason why you guys haven't really seen it on the channel after that video was uploaded is because I've actually been trying to find or source for a local sandblasting company to help me sandblast the faces of the rims. But for the past several months, every single one of the company that I've hit up or talked to, they don't want to take up this job or they're not willing to. So that's one of the main reasons why you still don't see any updates on the rims. And we'll move on to the LED tail lamps. After me posting the video of trying to DIY the LED tail lamps, I've been testing it for the past several months in the background. Everything's going well so far. So I'm really happy about that. I'm just going to change a couple minor stuff before I move on to the final product. My friend also commissioned me to do a set of tail lamps for him. So technically he's gonna be the guinea pig for my project. And yeah, I guess that's that for 2019. I might do a small montage of what's happened in 2019 so far. And if you guys happen to see clips in that montage that you've never seen before, just know that those clips were videos that I was supposed to put out for you guys in 2019, but I couldn't do so. I'm still gonna post them out in 2020, so don't worry, you're gonna be seeing every single one of those. And yeah, thank you for sticking with me this long into the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed 2019. I'm really looking forward to 2020, and once again, thank you to all my subscribers for commenting, liking, and sharing my video online. It really helps me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in 2020.